How to scan a QR code using Microsoft Authenticator app. You can find this app on Google Play Store or App Store, depending on your device. Once you have downloaded it, just open the app. It will ask you for your passcode, so just enter your fingerprint or your Face ID, anything that you've set. And here, what you want to do is go to your verified IDs at the bottom right. You can see different tabs. And from there, you just want to go to scan QR code. So if you tap on it, it will open up this you will first have to allow your camera permissions, and once you do that, it will open up this camera, and you just have to put the QR code in the square and it will scan the QR code automatically. You also have an option to enter code manually, where you have to enter other accounts and manually type in the code. So that's how you can scan a QR code on Microsoft Authenticator app. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Also turn on post notifications so you don't miss out on new videos. And I'll see you guys on the next video. Thank you for watching.